sunshines, welcome to Jane's Creative Life. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a recent laundry room makeover that I did in this small space. Everything had to go, every single thing. The only thing that stayed was the washer and dryer. In a minute, you will see why. Before you go ahead and get started on this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Like the video because I know you're going to like it, and definitely share with someone who needs help in their laundry room. Check out the next clip. Alright, so this is the laundry room before. We're about to remove all these shelves out and get started. All right, you guys, this is the after, and let me tell you, I am very proud of myself. The room came out so nice. It's very functional. It's very organized. It's very bright. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Did I understand the assignment or not? Let me know. I want to hear from you guys. Let me know if you've ever done a laundry room makeover and what was the process that you took. Because as for me, I really wanted to put in things in the space that was functional and that was needed. Because we are working with a very tight space, as you can see. However, I'm so proud of it. Initially, I wanted to put a cabinet up there, but I ended up not doing it because I couldn't find one to fit the budget. However, it still came out good because there's lots of storage up top to put things, and if needed, the cabinet could be added later on. One of the main things I love in this space was this wall art. I got the picture frame from Dollar Tree, and I pretty much just print out rinse and wash from my printer, and that was pretty much it. Let me know, you guys, what you think. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. What is the next video that you want to see? I will catch you guys in the next one.